My name is Aaron McFadyen, and I've been involved in aviation for pretty much most of my career. And of late, I've been heavily involved in drones or uncrewed aircraft systems. This is a really interesting, exciting space, something that's really emerging and has come a long way. Recently, we created some software or an algorithm that can automatically determine safe drone operating altitudes in airports. And this has been really great because it's helped drone operators get approvals faster and easier, but it's also helped the authorities, air services and CASA do the assessments they need to approve these operations. As engineers, we always work in teams regardless what we do, and I've worked with some great people. Although this award may recognise a period of my career, I think that career has been formed by all the great people I've worked with and have contributed. I'm very grateful for the award from ATSE. I've always tried to make a contribution that has impact, so I'm very happy to have achieved that goal, if you like, and even better that it's been recognised by ATSE. On a professional level, being able to work with air services and CASA and see the technology evolve and then get to a point where it is used today has been really, really rewarding. And I think that's a really great thing to have in your career, particularly as an engineer.